Welcome to Prompt to App. This is a new series where you'll see just how fast you can build real business applications. We're talking minutes using simple prompts. Managing approvals across teams can be messy. Endless email threads, delays, and zero visibility into what was approved. This slows down business decisions and this can be frustrating. With Zoho Creator's AI-powered low-code platform, you can build a complete approval management app prototype in minutes. Let's see how you can do one using this prompt. Here, we're building an approval management app that accepts request forms, implement automated reminders for overdue tasks, and also a real-time dashboard displaying statuses. Once the prompt is provided, the system figures out the right use cases for your app and starts building the components in the background, like forms, reports, dashboards, and more. It also sets up the right user permissions and workflows, all from that single prompt. And there you go, your app is completed. There's dashboards with all the key KPIs along with a few charts for quick insights. On the left-hand side, you will see the app menu with different modules where you can submit requests, approve them, and track everything in one place. This is your starting point. You can build on this, customize it, and make it work exactly the way you want. You will find the prompt we used in the description below, paste it into Zoho Creator to get started, or write your own prompt and build the app your way. Stop chasing approvals manually and start building smarter apps with AI. Try Zoho Creator today.